Hi folks, Jason here at Leisure Time Sales, continuing our tour of the recently arrived Winnebago products, and we're very excited as we are heading into the season for motorized RVing. You want to get away, head down to Florida, get into the snowbird thing. We've got a few options for you here. Now this one, we have not seen a new Vista on the lot in quite some time. We've got a 27P here with the Cafe Mist exterior. Just beautiful. You can see the two slide outs here. One's for the bedroom, one's for the social space. We'll come around and take a look at the inside of the camper. Nice big awning on the side of the camper to cover your space. Great storage underneath. You've got an entertainment unit here as well, and some more storage along the back. Just a beautiful Class A camper here from Winnebago. Heading inside to take a look. The Lennon color interior is just beautiful. Light taupe, nice big open space here in the cab. This one just arrived, so it's just got the mileage on it it took to get here, so around 1,800 miles on it. If you want to work while you're on the road, this is a fold-out table. So you've got a little desk space, nice big windows, of course. Storage all around. Great sound system built into this one as well. Nice little features like this map light here. You've got electronic leveling on the inside of the unit. Nice big Sony LCD screen here for your info center. Spot here for a table. I'll show you that in a second, but both of these front chairs in the cockpit will swivel around to give you a little bit more social space, so you can swivel those around. You've got a drop down couch right here for some extra sleeping space. Nice big window there above the couch. Side-by-side dinette with cup holders. Your seat belt will be there as well, so you've got some space to bring along a few folks as passengers. You've got your TV right above the dinette, and again, that's sitting right across from your couch. Nice and cozy. You've got windows on either side of that to get some ventilation through the unit. Lights everywhere, plugs everywhere. Just a really well-appointed coach, and all this, of course, on the slide. There's your kitchen area. High-rise faucet, double cavity sink. 3 drawers here, cupboard around the corner right underneath the sink, pots and pans drawers under the oven, 3-burner cooktop, and a gray stone microwave. We'll take a step back and look at the social space. Again, just picture it, those chairs swiveled around, have a table set up in the middle, and a nice spot to entertain friends and family on those days that you're stuck inside. Of course, the Winnebago, nice little features. You've got a coat rack above the door. You've got some storage above, and just beautiful front-facing wood cabinetry. Made by Winnebago and installed. High-quality stuff, and we love it. All your controls are here in one spot, nice and convenient. Of course, this one does come with a solar panel. Your slide-out switches, all your monitors and everything right here. Couple things, you've got electronic stability control, so while you're driving, it makes it nice and easy to, of course, you're going to have a lot of wind buffeting in a unit like this. The electronic stability control will help with that. You've got sumo springs built into this unit, so that's going to keep you nice and steady on the road if you do hit some bumps along the way, which of course you're going to. It's all part of the adventure. Geez, I sound like a sales guy, don't I? Anyway, we love this unit. Continue to look here. We've got a nice size fridge on this one. Beautiful thing with the A-Class is you've got a little bit of extra space to be able to get a big fridge, a nice big kitchen space, and there's your open space into the bedroom. But of course that does have a privacy feature because you do have a pocket door here as you enter the bedroom. Let's take a look here. You've got a little pantry space just to the right of the fridge. So again, just great use of the floor plan in this coach. Your wardrobe there, you've got drawers underneath, maybe for shoes and shirts and sweaters. Nice big wardrobe itself. There's that table that I'd mentioned earlier, some extra items that you get from Winnebago. You've got a hanger rod in this one as well to be able to get everything you want packed away while you're on the road. There's your bed, a nice full-size king bed on the slide. Storage above, nice window above there as well. Some shelf space on either side, as well as a little cubby on either side to keep a few things right at your bedside. Got a mirror on that privacy door there, so that's going to be able to give you a little spot to check yourself out when you're getting ready to head out. Nice big window on the back, recessed TV here in the bedroom as well. And then you've got a spot here to hang your privacy curtain. It doesn't really translate well in the video, but come on in and we'll show you that. There is a privacy curtain feature here. You can hang that up to make your bedroom a little more private. Now let's take a look at the bathroom here. Again, Winnebago does such a great job laying everything out so you can get good space. You see the floor space there. Foot flush toilet. Your sink, a little storage below. You've got a mirror right above the sink and a corner medicine cabinet. Nice big double wide shower. The enclosure has some spots there to keep all your shower items nice and handy, and you've got a skylight as well to brighten things up in here. So there's a look up inside the coach again. This beautiful Vista 27P from Winnebago is available brand new here on the lot at Leisure Time Sales. We want you to come in and have a look at it. It is amazing. We're happy to have it. Our friends up at Leisure Time Sales in Moncton would be happy to show you this unit as well. But for right now, we just want to see you get out and enjoy your snowbird season. If you're looking for a Class A unit, this one is brand new. You're able to come in, see it, touch it, feel it, smell it, get an idea what it's going to be like to have the pride of ownership of having this vehicle all to yourself. See you soon, folks.